How to upload Shopify theme. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for that, just open up your Shopify admin account and then click on this option of online store. After that, make sure that you open up themes, and under themes you will be able to find this option of add theme. Just click on it and then you will find the option of upload GIF file, and this way you would be able to upload any theme to your Shopify store, and that's how you do it. And how do you export a theme? So for that, you will have to click on this option of three dots right beside customize, and now you will find the option of download theme file. Just click on it, and after that you will find the option of send it to your email address. So basically this theme will be sent to your email address, and after that you can download it and send this particular theme to your friend, and in the similar fashion your friend can also send their theme to you, and after that you can just simply upload it over here this way. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.